If the microphone on your Samsung Galaxy S23 is muted on calls, there are a few things you can try to fix the issue. First, restart your phone. A simple restart can sometimes fix minor software glitches that can cause problems with the microphone. To restart your device, press and hold the power key and the volume down button until the power options show, then tap restart and confirm it. Once your phone has finished rebooting, try making a call to see if the microphone still randomly mutes. Another thing you can do is clean the microphone because dirt or dust can sometimes block the microphone grill, which can cause problems. To clean the microphone, use a soft, dry cloth to gently wipe around the microphone opening. If the issue randomly occurs, you should try checking for new updates as it can be a widespread problem, which is often fixed by Samsung through updates. You can also try resetting all settings in your phone to rule the possibility that it's just a case of some messed up settings. We hope this guide can help you. Thanks for watching.